Hi there, welcome in. What can I get for you?
Hi. Can I get the cheeseburger meal, medium, please?
Medium cheeseburger meal and a drink.
A Coke, please.
Coke it is. Anything else?
Oh, and can I add 6 chicken nuggets?
Sure thing. 6 nuggets. Okay, that's a medium cheeseburger meal with the Coke and 6 nuggets. Comes to $12.50.
Great, I'll pay by card.
Whenever you're ready, just tap. All set. Here's your receipt. Your order 24. They'll call it at the pickup counter, just over there.
24, thanks so much.
Of course. Have a good one. Order 24.
That's me. Thank you.
There you go, cheeseburger meal and the nuggets. Enjoy.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
You too.